Good morning, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Toyota Sienna LE, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. It's got a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. Just pop the trunk lid up just like so. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch on the end here. It's got 2 clamps on both sides. Keeps these ramps from rattling around. I really like this design. It's got a handle on either side. I'm going to use the handle on the passenger side here. I'm sorry. And watch, folks. Look, 1 finger. I can take this to the ground using 1 finger. That's how easy these are. They're spring assisted. They're very easy to operate. Very low cost to maintain. This ramp here is 36 inches wide. You can see there where it tapers off between. You've got 34 inches of room between them. Now, if you've got a chair that's wider than 34 inches, it's generally the armrest, so they're up high. So the base, I've never seen a wheelchair with a base more wide than 34 inches. So if you have a chair that's, got wide armrests, they're wider than 34 inches, it still should fit in here just fine. Let us know if you need to make any other measurements for you, so you know if your chair will fit, of course. 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, 58 inches of headroom inside the van, 800-pound weight capacity on the ramp. Yes, these vans are ADA compliant. It's got the spare tire there. 2 tie downs in the back, 4 in the middle, 2 all the way up front. Yes, this van will hold up to 2 chairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. It's got these little jump seats between. There's about 26 inches of room between those. So an average size chair should slide right in between those. Some of our cab companies will remove one of these chairs to make a little bit more room. So just let us know how you want us to configure the van, what you're going to use it for, and see how we can help. It does have the rear air controls. Got the cup holders in back, all the plug-ins. This van is essentially brand new, folks. It's very clean. I know it does have 15,000 miles on it. It's got the backup camera, YouTube Connect, not the YouTube, Bluetooth, I'm sorry. Dual climate control. Driver can be 1 temperature, passengers can be a 2nd temperature. And the rear can be a 3rd temperature. Has your plug-ins down there as well. So once you've got all your passengers secure, come back out. And we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. Come back out, look here, again, 1 finger. So easy to do. Latch it up. I tell our customers, if you can pick a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. Shut the trunk lid, and you're ready to go. I'm going to do a quick walk around of the van. This van does currently come with the keyless entry. It's got 1 key fob with it. If you want us to get 1 more key and fob, those are $199. That'll be your cost. This does have the power doors on it, though. That's a very nice option to have. And if you're going to use this for a cab company or something like that, where you're using them all the time, you can switch these doors to manual, so it won't be an issue of them getting broken. So, tinted windows. It's got the roof rack if you ever want to do any traveling. It's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. Of course, all these tires are, 15,000 miles on them, so they're not quite brand new, but they're still a lot of tread left on them, almost brand new. And this van, I'm not saying it's perfect condition, but it's not far from it. I only buy the cleanest stuff. I don't buy stuff that's been in accidents. I don't buy stuff that's been salvage titles. I don't deal with that stuff. I don't want headaches. I want nice, clean vans that we can put on the lot, that we can be proud of, and that I know our customers are going to, as long as they take care of them, they're going to have real good luck with. And super clean van. I don't see a single dent in it. I hardly can find a scratch in it. It looks brand new. If you ever do want to switch the doors to manual, hit that button there. They become manual sliding doors. So if you're going to use this for a cab service or something like that, something you can do. It's got the power seat there, works great. Current miles 15,759. The interior looks clean, smells clean. We just had this van professionally detailed. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any odors in here. Carpets are clean. I'm going to go ahead and turn the van on, let you listen to it run, crawl under the hood and underneath the vehicle. And of course, when I go to turn the vehicle on, Fires up first time, every time, no issues. Of course, we've also checked all the windows, power windows, power locks, power doors. We checked these vans over thoroughly before when they come into our shop. Checked all the power mirrors, the radio, heat, air, and tested all the fluids. You can see there's no dummy lights on. It's got a full tank of gas. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 from Toyota. It idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any water damage. Again, this thing looks brand new, and we check these vans out very thorough before we buy them. Very clean underneath as well. And I encourage you folks, no matter who you're buying from, we hope it's us, but no matter who you're buying from, make sure they get out and make a video like this underneath the van. I've seen vans that have been frame damage underneath. I've seen ones, almost brand new with rust underneath. So if they won't get out and they won't crawl on the ground like I'm doing right now, and they won't put some effort into a van, then how much, what are they selling? Know who you're buying from. Affordable Mobility Solutions has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And I hope you see by our videos, we are trying to represent our vehicles honestly and fairly as we possibly can. So let's get the van out on the highway. I want you to hear it run. And take it for a little test drive. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway, so you see that whether we ship them to you with our free shipping, or that you come in and pick it up and drive it home, this van is roadworthy. So I'm going to drive it hard here a little bit, let you hear the engine run and the transmission shift. See if I can get this up to around 70 miles an hour. And this van comes with up to 70 miles an hour there, no problems. Got some state troopers up here, so we're going to back her down a little bit. Runs and drives real nice. Again, runs just like a brand new van. Comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Toyota. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Toyota. That's good nationwide. And comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. So that's all the warranty specs on this van. Got the cruise control set about 63 right here. And I want you to ask yourself, when you're looking around for other vehicles, when you're comparing us to the competition, does the competition have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Does the competition have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and no negative reviews? Folks, that's 500 people said we did a good job. 0 said we did them wrong. That's hard to beat. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Be sure to ask them. A lot of people try to slip in another $500, $1,000 on the back end without telling you. That's not how we do business. And I'm going to digress here, interrupt myself, do a hard brake at the bottom of this exit so you can see. No brake noise, no grinding, no shimmying. Again, this van looks and drives just about like a brand new Toyota should. And lastly, when you're comparing us, do they have, they make a video for you like we do? Do they get out and crawl underneath the van? Do they show you how everything works? Do they talk about measurements? Because yes, folks, we do want to sell you a van, but we want to sell you a van that you can use. We want you to be happy with your purchase. If you have any questions or you want to see anything further, please don't hesitate to ask. And finally, do they offer free shipping? Like I said, we'll pay the average shipping rate from our driveway to yours. We're the only company in the nation that offers free shipping on these vans. So when you combine all that together, and with our price, we're selling these from the high 30s. Everyone else is selling darn near brand new Toyotas, 50s, 60s, 70s. There's no difference in our van and theirs. They're trying to make $20,000 a van on their vans because someone put the word medical next to it. You know how people jack up the word medical prices on anything, pills, mobility equipment, anything like that. So it's unfortunate, but again, that's not how we do business. So if you ever want to come in and see one of our vehicles, please always make an appointment with us. I know your time's valuable. Sometimes we're out doing something like this. Give me a call, 316-262-8267. My name's Jeremiah. I'm the owner, 316-262-VANS. Check us out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And that all works there. Everything works fine on the radio. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.